Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music on the piano. First, get comfortable with the keyboard layout, identifying white and black keys. Next, focus on correct posture and hand shape. Imagine holding a ball. Begin by practicing simple 5-finger scales and basic chords like C major. Consistency is key for building foundational skills and muscle memory. Now, let's dive into reading music. Learn the grand staff, recognizing treble and bass clef notes. Grasp basic rhythm values like quarter notes and half notes, and understand common time signatures such as 4/4 time. Start with very simple pieces, focusing on reading one hand at a time before combining them. Patience makes a big difference here. To make your practice effective, break down challenging sections into smaller, manageable parts. Integrate basic music theory, understanding intervals and chord progressions to deepen your comprehension. Always use a metronome to develop a steady rhythm and improve your timing. Aim for short, focused practice sessions daily rather than long, infrequent ones. As you progress, explore various musical genres to broaden your repertoire and keep things exciting. While self-teaching is possible, a good piano instructor can provide personalized feedback and guidance, accelerating your learning significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Keep practicing and enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.